Okay, I'm here at the LBS stand. I'm here with Peter Lagan. Peter, tell us about what LBS offer and what products and services do you have?
Yes, absolutely, Kevin. We're importers and suppliers of natural slate and stone products, so we would import slate and stone products from quarries all over the world. Our main product group would be natural roofing slate, and we would import slate from quarries in Wales, from quarries in England, from Spain, North South America, from the Far East as well. So we would have Ireland's sort of largest selection of natural roofing slate products. In addition to our roofing slate range as well, we would also have a range of slate and stone floor tiles and cladding, walling products as well.
I've seen you associated with Bangor Blue. What do you have to do with them?
Yes, well, LBS, we acquired the company Welsh Slate Limited towards the end of 2007, 2008. Welsh Slate Limited would be a group of slate quarries in North Wales, one of which would be the Penrhyn Quarry, which is the home of the Bangor Blue, which would be very well known and established slate in Ireland.
Okay, so we have the Bangor Blue Slate here. Tell us about it.
Yeah, well, this is the Bangor Blue Slate from the Penrhyn Quarry in North Wales. This is the slate of the traditional slate in Ireland. These slates have been coming into the country for the past 600 years, and they would basically roof all the old historic buildings in Ireland. So they're very famous, very well known, established slate in Ireland. And if you look up at any old roof, you know, they're quite noticeable by the heather blue sort of purple colour. They're quite noticeable.
Yeah, and how does it compare to other slates around the world?
Well, I mean, it would be, recognised universally as the best quality slate in the world. I mean, this slate would be exported all over the world. I mean, we sell a lot in Ireland. It's exported to Australia, New Zealand, all around Europe, France, Germany, Belgium. We sold in North America as well. So, I mean, it would be recognised around the world as the best quality roofing slate, and its lifespan would be measured in centuries. I mean, these slates typically last for 100 to 200 years plus.
And why is it considered the best?
Well, that's a good question. I mean, basically, it's the geology of the rock is the main thing about the quality. These slates are from slate deposits which are 600 million years old, and from what's known as the Cambrian era. So they are basically 1 to 200 million years older than most imported slates. So they're a lot harder, denser slate. As such, they outlive most other roofing materials. Also, I mean, the quality of the original sediments as well, which formed the slate, are extremely pure. There is virtually no inclusions, no damaging inclusions, no pyrite or other damaging inclusions in Bangor Blue Slates that you might find in slates from other parts of the world.
Is it expensive?
Not as expensive as one might think. I mean, obviously it's got a price point and it is more expensive than imported materials, but, really the big thing about the Bangor Blue Slates as well is typically it's a larger format slate. So if you look at this particular slate here, this is a 500 by 300 slate. Now most imported slates would be, say, a 500 by 250. So yes, I mean, it's slightly more expensive. This would be sold out at sort of, low 50, 52, 53 pounds a square metre. But also bear in mind that you're going to have, a lot less slates per square metre, because you get 16 and a half of these as opposed to 20 with traditional imported slates. Plus then that will also have a knock-on effect on the labour. There'd be less slates to put on the roof, so therefore the labour costs will be less as well. So typically, people might have this perception in their heads that it is a much more expensive product. But if you've got a standard roof, say 250 metres, you might be looking at an excess value of, say, £4,000 to £5,000 a roof to put on a Bangor Blue, which is going to last forever as opposed to an imported slate.
You're also taking out the transport costs, because it's right here in our backyard.
Yeah, absolutely, and there's environmental credentials as well. I mean, this thing isn't being transported from all around the world. It's based in North Wales. There's less transport as well. We obviously, as quarry owners as well, I mean, we can offer the best prices and good value for money on the product as well. I mean, by dealing with us, you're cutting out all the middlemen.
Is it used in any other applications? I mean, is it only used for roofs, or?
No, absolutely. I mean, we would be famous for our roofing slate, but our slates would be used for a wide variety of other applications. We sell walling and building stone, with flooring and paving, countertops. And even more recently, we've designed a new range of top upmarket tableware designed by Michelin star chef Michael Keynes. So it's got some excellent properties for, other architectural applications other than roofing.
Very good, thank you.
Thank you, Kevin. Thank you.